How's it going, everybody? It's your boy DJ Will back at it again. Today I'm making another video. I just recently made a video of my dog. She don't like the scooter. Now guys, today I'm gonna be using my lawnmower. My dog also don't like the lawnmower. She doesn't like bikes. She doesn't like scooters. She doesn't like lawnmower. She doesn't like four-wheelers. I don't know. I just want y'all to see how she is when I turn the lawnmower on. She bites the wheel. I don't know why. If somebody could please let me know why she's doing this, I would love to know. So y'all just let me know. I know she don't like it, but there's a reason why. And like I said, this dog, I had this dog since she was like a baby. So this got to go really back into her mom and her dadhood. So anyways, long story to keep it short, let me start my lawnmower up. Look, she's already on deck. Look, she don't even like it. Anyways, so hold on, guys. Give me one second. Hey, you being a bad girl, I gotta cut grass, man. Alright, I'm gonna try something else, guys. I'm gonna try when the lawnmower is off to see if she still reacts to the lawnmower. Let's see. Alright, let me move it, hold on. Oh, she's still acting up with the lawnmower being off. Why you don't like my lawnmower, honey? Why you are such a bad girl? I'm showing the world you a bad girl. So let me turn this back on, guys. She acting up. She don't like it. But she's gonna, you know. Stop biting my lawnmower. Stop biting my lawnmower. Guys, my dog, she's just nuts. I don't know what it is with her, but You know what I'm saying? You know how most dogs, they chill, you know? They in a big-ass backyard. They don't even care about you cutting grass. But for some reason, this dog right here, this blue-nosed pitbull, she likes to be in action. So yeah, just let me know what y'all think about my dog trying to beat up the lawnmower. She doesn't like lawnmowers. She doesn't like, I don't know. She just don't like a lot of things. So anyways, guys, y'all just let me know what y'all think, man. I'm out of breath. Y'all already know what it is, man. Shout outs to everybody. It's your boy DJ Will. We out of here. Like and subscribe. DJ Will.